guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the fourth video. We just left with one more. I am sure you guys are gonna love this look because this time I have done Foxy eye makeup look using the Huda Beauty new Nude palette, and you guys can see how beautiful this look is looking. Also guys, do not forget to check this video till the end because I am gonna share something with you that you do not want to miss, right? And also for the outfit, you need to check out my Instagram. This is a beautiful outfit. I'll be sharing my pictures over there of this outfit for sure, and do not forget to check my Instagram as well. Okay, now just let's start with the video. Alright, let's get started. So we are gonna take in this shade right here. This is the darkest shade and we are going to start from the dark to light. So you have to be very careful using and choosing your shades because every time usually we always start with the lightest shade to make a transition, but as we are doing the foxy eyes, I think it would be better to start with the darkest shade. I am using this flat brush over here. This is a smudging brush, if you guys can see this brush, and I am gonna make a foxy liner with the help of this, and I'm gonna smudge it. So yes, I am doing it from here. We're just starting from here. So I'm just taking it, smudging it outside. I'm just starting from here and I'm gonna smudge it outside a little bit. You do not have to worry about blending right now because later I am going to show you some trick which will be really, you guys will be really grateful to learn that trick and you will actually thank me. So you do not have to worry about this, about your blending right now. So basically start from your outer corners over here and smudge it outside. Now we are moving to the next shade, and this is the shade right here. This is the shade Span that I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna smudge my eyeshadow that I had used before, and I'm gonna blend it using this shade. So I am taking the brush, this small brush right here. This is so precise and good for smudging, so that is why I just took this one, and I'm gonna smudge the liner that I made with the help of the shade Span. I know guys, you must be thinking that this is looking really messy and non-blended, but believe me guys, in the end you guys are gonna love this look. Next, again I'm gonna use the same brush and I am gonna take the shade Tickle. I'm gonna take the shade Lace right here, and I am again gonna blend the wing that I had made, the foxy eyeliner that I had made, and I'm gonna put it over here. Can you guys see how beautiful this shade is? I am taking this brush again and I'm gonna smudge the eyeshadow so that there are no sharp lines in between and they look properly blended. And here we go. Just gonna wing it a little bit outside. Almost done with the eyeshadow, right? I'm gonna take in this shade a little bit more so that I can get a good pigment out of this color. And here we go. Loving what I have done so far. I have taken the shade Love Bite again so that I can deepen up this wing that I had made, the eyeliner, the foxy eyeliner that I had made, and I'm gonna again put it over like very close to my lash line and towards the outer corners of my eyes, and blend it outside. So guys, if you see, then this eyeshadow is looking more precise than this one. This is looking a little bit messier. So we are going to correct this, and for that I'm going to use this Q-tip and micellar water, and I'm going to clean it using this Q-tip, and it will look properly precise and foxy. So I'm going to dig in some of this. Okay, so we're just cleaning this off, and guys, do you see how precise this is looking? What I really want is let this dry a little bit, because I want to smudge the eyeliner a little bit, because I don't want a sharp smudged eyeliner. I want a little smooth and smudgy. So let it dry, and I'm gonna use the brush and I'm gonna smudge it a bit. Next, I'm taking the shade Daydream. This is a very nice glittery purple shade, and I'm gonna apply it over my lids. I'm using my fingers to grab this product, and I'm gonna put it over here. This color is really beautiful. Just gonna apply this roughly over my lids. You do not have to worry about the mess up right now. After applying it, just take this brush and smudge the eyeliner a bit and blend it so that it looks seamless. What I'm gonna do is, I'm taking the shade Love Bite, the darkest shade over here, and I'm gonna put it over my lower lash line, very close to my lower lashes actually. So I'm gonna take the shade Spanged, and I'm gonna blend the eyeshadow using this brush. I've just highlighted my inner corners using the shade Crave, and guys, do you see how beautiful this eye makeup is looking? And we are almost done. I'll just come back in few minutes. I'll be back. I just need to do my makeup, my base, and I'll just put my eyelashes, and then I'll show you the complete look. So I'll be right back. So guys, I hope you're liking this look. Do share your comments in the comment box, and check out the description box, because I'll be giving the complete detail of my products down there, and there would be the details even about the base also, and I'm sure you guys are loving it. So do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also give it a share. Do share this video, guys. Those who are new here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So until next time, we'll see you on Saturday. Bye bye.